1981 Pontiac Trans Am. This is the last year for this second generation. Really cool run they had all through the 70s. This is one of the most iconic cars out there. This is a very nice original example. This is a white with red interior, 4.9 liter non-turbo, which is good. It's the one you want for these later years. Of course, it has the louvers on the back. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Still got the stickers on the side here with the VIN number, that kind of thing. You don't see those very often. Upholstery's in very good shape. This does have what I believe, I think this is an aftermarket shifter. Don't quote me on that. Either way, it's a very cool, very nice addition if it is aftermarket, because it's got the dual gate, or the his and hers as some like to call them. Fires right off. You can see the tack works there. And even the clock works. You can see the needles moving. Odometer shows 60,000 miles, 972. We believe that to be original, solely based on the condition of the car. It is optioned with the rear window defogger. Not all of them came with that. It does have an aftermarket radio. It's in demo mode here. See if I can get it to play anything for you. Stereo sounds really good. Your heater controls here. Turn the AC on. This AC does have the more modern R134A refrigerant in it. It blows somewhat cool. It's not ice cold, but it is an older AC system, so that's kind of what you'd expect. These heater controls slide really nice and easy. And we got there's our wipers. Got a horn. Super nice and tight interior. Power locks here. All right, there you have it. There's your 4.9 liter V8 engine with the shaker hood. Factory cruise control modulator there, power brakes, disc in the front, power steering. There's your AC compressor. Super, super clean under the hood. Does have chrome valve covers. The original emission control sticker moving on to the paint and body. So I think, based off my experience, I believe this paint is original. It sure shows that way. I couldn't guarantee it, but it really does appear original. There's a couple touch-up spots here on the hood. And if you notice, it does not have the screaming eagle or chicken on the hood, as people call it. Not sure if it came that way from the factory or if it was removed at a later date. Either way, it shows pretty nice without it. These are BF Goodrich radial TA tires. They are older. Date code 2008 on the tires. Keep that in mind when you're looking at this beast. If you want to do some serious driving, I would recommend replacing those. Love all the striping on this. I mean, it is just so cool. It does have, I believe these are aftermarket too, these door protectors here. Door closes really solid. It's a really big, long, heavy door on this generation Firebird Camaro Trans Am. So it's nice that they're nice and tight and open good. Some of the striping here around the window is a little bit faded. Might have washed off over time. Same with around this back window. It's a little faded. Love the louvers. I'll have pictures of the undercarriage on the website. Power antenna. If you're interested in this 1981 Pontiac Trans Am, please scroll down. I'll have a link in the description. It'll take you right to our website. There you can find the undercarriage pictures, the full high-resolution photo gallery, as well as our asking price. And if you got any more questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call. That's carsrememberwin.com. Thanks for watching.